If you're experiencing a verification pending status with SAIB Bank in Switzerland, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have checked your email for any communication from SAIB Bank. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that may be required for verification. This typically includes identification, proof of address, and any other documents specified by the bank. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to SAIB Bank's customer support team. Use the official contact methods provided on their website to ensure you are speaking with a legitimate representative. Step 4. Submit additional information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting the required information, follow up with customer support to confirm that your documents have been received and to inquire about the status of your verification. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from a financial advisor.